This closed drying rack is officially called the Best Drying Rack and is sold at bestdryingrack.com. As you can see, it folds down very small for storage and then easily opens up for use. One big difference between this laundry rack and the ones you find at the discount stores is that each piece of clothing can hang freely, like on a clothesline. Those discount racks have their wood rods one above the other, and big items like towels and shirts shade or touch the items hung below, which really slows down the drying process. It's much better to have lots of airflow around each piece of wet clothing, like the Best Drying Rack does. This rack is built to last decades. The wood is all maple, which is very strong. The rest of the parts are all heavy-duty plated steel. There are no plastic parts used in this rack, because plastic parts break. We do make this drying rack here in the US, and I invite you to come learn more about it at bestdryingrack.com. Thanks.